Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Ninja, and the title of the video is When a Routine Wellness Check Goes Off the Rails. Let's get into the video.
On May 6th, 2023, officers in Illinois were conducting a wellness check.
Crystal Lake Police!
Hey, Tammy, stop.
Tammy,
Put the knife down.
put the knife down. Put the knife down. She's got a knife.
The door locked. Right, just activate it.
You want me to close it?
No.
She's got a knife and she's coming at us.
Hey, I'm gonna come out to your side so we can watch it cross.
Okay. Yep. What do you want to do? She's barricaded.
Ma'am, please get inside.
Get inside the house.
Please get inside.
Tammy! Tammy, please put the knife down.
I'm gonna go outside. No problem.
Okay.
Always got a nosy neighbor.
Tammy!
Thanks, man.
Please put the knife down.
Listen to me. It's
Tammy, listen. No, you listen.
Wife.
Tammy,
Listen to me.
Tammy, if you come out, Tammy, Tammy,
Get the f out of here.
Tammy,
I
wanna
love
make sure
you
you're
for
okay.
good
put the
life.
knife down.
We want to make sure you're okay.
I don't want to hurt nobody.
Okay.
Okay, please put the knife.
That's nothing have to do with you all.
Tammy, please put the knife down.
Go.
Please put the knife down. Tammy.
Do you know her?
Yeah, she's not dropping the knife. Nobody else
I
is
didn't
in
see anybody
there.
else in there. Talk right now.
I got the master key. Tammy!
Boy, Tammy better act right, boy. Because they will send you to the afterlife, and you gonna regret it.
Tammy! Let's talk this out, but I need you to drop the knife, please. All right, when you open the door and you come out with a knife, you're making things way worse. Tammy!
Not ready to. You good?
Tammy!
Tammy, you're not in trouble at all. We just want to make sure you're okay.
Tammy, please drop the knife.
Tammy, we told you. We want to make sure you're okay.
Let
That's
me
it.
show-
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Okay,
You
how-
got it?
Can you put the...
Listen, we want to
I'm
talk.
not trying to hurt nobody.
Okay, listen, I want to listen. I want to
Leave me
put my gun. I
alone.
want to put my gun away, but I need you to drop the knife. Let's talk.
there you go.
Can you drop it that way?
Yeah, I
Throw
will.
it, please. Let me see both hands. Let me see both your hands. Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Come on, I want to put my gun away.
No. Put it away.
Well, I need you to drop the knife. No, Tammy.
We're not saying...
Tammy.
Tammy.
No,
Tammy.
Tammy. Drop the knife.
Shoot me.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife, Tammy. Tammy, just drop the knife.
Me.
Tammy, drop
Drop
the
the
knife.
knife.
It's better than from stabbing to death.
Drop the
Tammy,
knife.
Drop the knife.
Tammy, drop the knife. Drop the
Shoot me.
knife.
Shoot me.
Tammy, drop the
Don't
knife.
stop. Ow, ow.
Drop the knife.
Oh, Lord.
Tammy,
Man.
Tammy, get in your bag.
Drop. Turn around.
Whoever was the supervisor that was watching that was overlooking that, or whoever gave that tip to go, or that command or whatever, go less lethal, excellent move. Excellent move, man. Because, you know, a lot of times we do see, you know, if a person got a knife out or whatever, like, the cop is gonna have his gun out. You know what I'm saying? That's just how the cookie crumble. You know what I mean? And for them to already kind of deal with her and probably know that, you know, her marbles ain't all the way there upstairs. Instead of, you know, sending her to the afterlife, to just taser would be a better option, and she can, you know, live to fight another day, man. I just want you guys to listen to that one more time, because that officer that gave that commander, that sergeant or whatever, excellent.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Tammy, drop the knife.
One less lethal.
Drop the knife.
Shoot me.
Tammy, drop the
Don't
knife.
stop. Ow, ow, ow.
Drop the knife.
Oh, Lord.
Tammy,
Man,
Tammy, get in your bag.
Drop. Turn around.
Are you injured?
are you f***ing crazy? What the f*** was that?
Tammy.
Coming at us with a knife.
You coming at us with a knife.
No, I wasn't hurting you guys.
You came at us
Came
with a
at
knife.
us.
No.
Are you kidding me?
I
Almost
said,
shot you.
yeah, shoot.
No. Tammy, stop
That's not
fighting.
what we're not here for.
You don't do that bullshit.
Okay, well, if you don't listen to what I say, you're gonna get it again. So listen to what the f I'm saying. Turn around, please.
What are you doing?
Turn around, please. All right? We want to have everything be secure. The paramedics need to see you.
Okay.
This is check to make sure she doesn't have any other weapons. Hold on.
No, I don't know.
Okay, but we're gonna double check to make sure, okay?
I just wanted to. I just leave me alone, guys.
We just want to make sure you're okay, Tammy. That's it.
We don't want you to
think you're
That's what we're here for.
What the fuck,
You're okay.
dude?
That's it.
I'm fine. I just.
People are worried about you. People are worried about you.
Who?
Everybody. That's why we're here.
Just
That's why we're here.
detain.
Because we want to make sure you're okay.
You gave me a fucking jolt.
Okay, we're gonna make sure that we're gonna take it out.
I didn't want to do that. I told you I wanted to
What
put
the
my
fuck? I
How many
wasn't
times-
threatening
Tammy,
you
Tammy, let me
all.
give me-
I wanted you just to shoot
How
my
many?
ass,
No.
really?
I don't want to do that. You think I want to do that to you? Okay.
Leave me alone.
No, we don't want you.
People care about you.
People care about you.
I care
Why
about
you?
you.
I just want to make sure that you're not getting hurt, okay? I don't want to put you in okay. I'd rather do this. I'd rather do this than in handcuffs, okay? We're just gonna hold on to you.
We're just going to hold on to you, okay?
Okay?
All right. Just relax. It's okay.
Let it out.
Let it out.
Want to get you help. People care about you.
Come on.
They really do.
Take a breath. Hey, look at me. Just take a deep breath, okay? Take a deep breath.
No, life is not easy, right? We'll get you some help, okay?
No,
Go
it's
talk
not.
to somebody.
I'm older than y'all.
Hey,
You
listen,
don't
it's
know.
never worth that.
Never worth it.
It's never worth that, okay?
Okay? Here, well,
Man, this is actually turning really sad. You know, typically I could laugh at things and stuff, but this is sad. I feel bad for this lady. The fact that she would have rather, go to the afterlife than to live is a sad thing, you know, and you just think, what has happened in her life to bring her to that state of mind, you know, and for her to just break down and cry and stuff like that, it's just, you know, you feel bad for these, you know, these type of people, you know what I mean? And it's just a sad situation because not everybody, is dealt a good hand in life, you know?
I didn't really care about him. Just hold my hand. Just hold my hand. Just some more conversation.
And also to touch on that, if you are dealt a bad hand in life, you really got to reach out to maybe a therapist or whoever, or confide in some true friends. Not everyone is your friend, you know, but some true friends, just to vent and talk, because sometimes it's good for you to just talk about your problems than to bottle it in, especially for the men out there, because men, we really don't talk to nobody. For real. Like, as far as like our deep issues, you know, we hide our emotions, you know.
What's that?
Just let that go.
Just let that go. Just hold on to my hand and let's catch your breaths, okay? It was pretty intense.
Deep breath
moment.
in. Exhale.
You want to go to this fire? We're going to the cottage.
Get that out of here.
Tammy,
Get the out of here.
Tammy, we're just focusing on us for now, okay?
Focus on us, okay? So
Get her out of here.
Squeeze my hand.
Nobody else matters in this
Squeeze
moment,
my
okay?
hand. Okay? Squeeze my hand.
Deep breath in.
Take a deep breath.
You're doing great. You're doing great.
It's okay. It's okay.
Does anything hurt on you? Yeah.
We'll remove those straws, okay?
Don't worry about it.
I know you're here.
We're here to help you, okay?
But don't put us in those predicaments, okay? We don't want to shoot anybody. We don't want to have to deal with that
I
with
just
that,
wish
okay?
you would. Why
Nobody
would
wants
you
to.
draw
Listen.
your gun? What's wrong with you?
Because you're coming at us with a
It's a
knife.
knife.
Yeah, but
I
when you take a
wanted
step
to-
towards us, that's when it...
Okay, exactly.
Right.
What the fuck do you think? Don't I know that?
Yeah, sure you do.
I never thought it'd take. What the hell's that
Well,
with?
because we're not going to shoot you. We're going to make sure that we're going to use less lethal to be able to make sure that you don't hurt yourself or us. No, you don't need to do that.
Just
Huh?
you need to
There are so many people that care about you, Tammy.
Nobody does.
Yes, you do.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.